a small area in my backyard and it looks like garbage. It used to be a koi fish and just a raised area in the backyard that I don't use. And this is what it is looking like these days with grass and everything. But before I get into the actual how it looks right now, I'm going to take you to a time that none of that was there. Initially, when I bought the house, I had this koi fish pond. I had also had a hen house or a chicken coop or whatever people call them. I don't raise chickens. I don't have any fish in the koi fish pond anymore. I don't want any frogs. I don't want to raise dairy in the backyard. I just literally just want a big, nice, grassy area where I can play soccer with the kids, or the kids can run from one section to the other section. I like burning wood as well, so I generally have a small 1x1 burn pit. But when I was taking off the koi fish pond, there's a nice little dry area where I can have my little burn pit and stuff. So maybe in the future, once I finish with this project, I'll figure out where I want to put my burn pit. Now I want to do a small permanent one. So when I went ahead and finished all the work, mainly it was leveling. Once I got it leveled out, I put in the seed and it's just watering. I constantly keep an eye out on if it's too dry, or just keep an eye out on the seeds and constantly water it. The actual rain helps out a lot, but it's looking like it's coming fairly okay. I'm starting to see some of the seeds sprout, and that's a good thing. All right, so that's a week later right there. It's a little tiny baby grass. I'm starting to see a bunch of them everywhere, like right there. There's another one. See all the little sprouts? Here. So I'm going to use this Organic Choice. It's a moisture control potting mix with compost. And I'm going to lay this on top of the actual grass that I got going on right now. And on top of that, I'm going to go ahead and water it. It is 50 quarts, and this stuff is fairly cheap. So this is how my lawn looks here. It's really green, but let's see where the baby grass is at. It's really growing there.